Hey Gary, I just wanted to make a video to show you how to get this thing together when you get it back in your place. Um, your alley separates right here, and then there's a bolt on each side um, that goes through up underneath. You'll see it when you go up underneath. And then your ball count is here, and this I'll have in the box, and it just has a connector right here. And then this piece actually goes inside this hole and then up like that, and then there's a bolt that holds this in here. So you just have to put the whole thing up underneath. That's your ball counter there. So you have that to put in. You have a bolt on each side, and usually what I do is, like right now, I have a 5-gallon bucket holding the two halves together. That works out well. The nets will go on the side. You want to put the bottom of this part of the net in this groove first, and then angle it up into this hole here, and I'll have the bolts in the bag there. The bolts go through the back, and then once your two side nets are on, then the top one fits in. You'll see there's little hangers for the top one there. I don't have them on right now. I'll have the balls in another box. I'm going to give you some touch-up paint. I'll have all the bolts in here. Right now it's set up for free play. And it doesn't really look like a button, but here's the button here. That'll drop your balls down in. You can set it up for quarters. There's a plug inside here that you just unplug and plug the coin unit in if you wanted to drop quarters in it. But most people like it on free play, so I have it in there. Other than that, that's about it. So if you have any questions, certainly give me a call. I'm going to give you a couple extra bulbs if you need it. These bulbs in here are what I'm going to give you replacements for. If he gets it set up and one of those segments is out, it probably just got vibrated out from the travel. You can take this glass out. There's two things that you flip. This glass comes out, and then you can go in there and just kind of wiggle, and they'll turn back on. But I replaced all the bulbs, so they're good. They just sometimes get loose. Yeah, other than that, if you have any questions, give me a buzz.